Hi everyone! Today's tip is about search. Using OR and AND operators in search can greatly enhance your ability to locate relevant information quickly and accurately. As you may already know, the 3D Experience platform search capability supports those powerful operators. However, here's a helpful tip. If you have a list of items in Excel, you can simply copy and paste them into the search bar, and the system will automatically apply the appropriate operator for you. If the items are listed vertically in the Excel, the system uses the OR operator to expand the search. If the items are listed horizontally in the Excel, the system uses the AND operator to combine them.
Thanks for watching. For questions, connect with us in the ENOVIA User Community.